Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to travel from Portsmouth to Liverpool by car. So, my cousin lives there. They have bought a new house. So I have bought this Russell Hobbs air and grill fry and the ice box. So I think that will be worth for them. I don't know, they do have that at home, but I don't want to ask because it's a surprise gift. It's a 3-year warranty and it's 5.5 liter. You can bake, you can cook, you can fry. There are lots of uses. So that's our gift. So we have started our journey at 8:45 a.m. It's a 4.5 hour drive. It's more than 250 miles. So there were service station available on the journey, so you can stop in between. We have only stopped in one service station. So just use the toilet and we get back in the car and drive. So we thought as soon as we reach the home we can take rest as well. The weather was fantastic and it was not that much traffic. Only the problem, there were some road works was going on, but so you all know, UK driving is always regulated with the strict rules, like not like in our India, like people can drive anyway. It's not like that. It's we just go in the certain bus. So we have just reached near to the Birmingham. So Birmingham airport is nearby and Birmingham temple is nearby. If you just go up to on the road, it's the Birmingham airport, and you can see on the that top there were cars passing by. So it's a very nice weather. When we passed by, you can see the wind mills, and they are, I think, getting electricity from it. So now we have nearly reached the Warrington, and you can see lots of windmills. I think I know they are circulating the electricity. So you can see the blue sky is beautiful, and it's nice to drive after listening the music. When you listen the music, so we were playing music in the car, so I will get the copyright, and it's in Malayalam music, so that's why I have to give the voiceover. Okay. So let's continue the journey. We are nearly reached their house. So just ask her to wait outside so we can see which is the right house. Okay. We have reached nearly 1:30. Okay. So this is the Mallory Road. So I know their house, entrance is like arch one. So I'm just looking for that one. Okay, and my cousin and her daughter there, and my brother-in-law was at work. Okay, so if this is your first time watching my channel, please subscribe. So she's ready with her camera. Okay, so I will show the two angle of this shot, because I have captured this portion, and she has captured her own side from her side. So you can see that it's not a repetitive version, but you can see the two angles. Okay, so they have got a parking in front of their house, and they got parking on the at the side of the house as well. Okay, she was telling that they will get 3 parking from the council. It is on the process of approval, so it will take some time. Okay, so they were ready with the flowers. My niece was holding a bucket to give to his her brother, as that's my son. They both were very excited. I mean, we all are very excited to seeing after a long time. Okay, and it's a time of happiness as well, because they have bought the house after a long time. Okay, I really love the weather, but the problem, it was very hot. It was around 30-degree, and this is my first time experiencing the 30-degree weather after I have been here for 20 years. Yeah. So we have reached, we have parked the car. Now time to get out and hug each other, eh? So they are in Liverpool. That means it's like Viral. Okay, Viral Birkenhead. Yeah, Liverpool is a city of football lovers, isn't it? That's what I know about Liverpool. Okay, so I will continue with this video, and she's ready with her flower bouquet. And I really love that the dahlia flowers is very pretty colors, beautiful. I really like that. Okay, and her dad is the watching through the camera. Even he was not there, so we are still chatting. Yeah. Yes, very nice, and we are very happy to see each other after a long time. I think I have seen her around, I think, 2010. Then I haven't seen her, and I haven't seen her daughter at all. So how excited we are. Okay, now I just need to park the car, then I will go in. Okay, just continue watching my video.
I need to put this stuff somewhere.
Yeah, go. You go.
Where? I don't know where
Go,
I'm
go
going
in.
now. Should I leave my shoes here?
You can get in. Get in. Otherwise, we don't know. Somebody will.
What, young kid?
Yeah, you don't know. Not young kid. Maybe like pets or something.
Where should I leave my shoes? I put it here.
Just leave it somewhere there.
I'll put it here.
So this is their lounge. It's a beautiful Krishna there and a big clock, and the side you have there's two storerooms. That's a ring camera, and that's a dining room, and opposite is the kitchen, and it's beautifully decorated, and yeah, she's trying to make lots of things. Yeah, it's a watermelon juice. It's ready because it was very hot. Okay, so we didn't have our lunch. We will have our lunch soon, so I will come with that lunchtime videos in the next day. So please stay tuned, and it was very tasty when you come on in after the very hot weather. Yeah, so stay tuned for the next video. By that time, take care. See you soon. Okay, so if you love to drive a car like a Liverpool, it's nice.